So in this video, I am going to explain about that union operation of the binomial heap. So before going to the operation, first I will revise once what is binomial heap. Binomial heap is nothing but a set of binomial tree. And their property is saying that the set of binomial tree in a binomial heap, their degree should be unique. So look at that, this is the valid binomial heap because there is a b0, b1 and b2. So all these trees degree is unique. So for this one also all these trees degree is unique. So these both are the valid binomial heap. Now we will perform the union operation. So there is a given two binomial heap. Now I am going to merge this two binomial heap. So first I am simply merging that both binomial heap. Simply I am merging according to the degree. Degree wise I am going to merge it, and degree is in increasing order. We will going to merge both binomial heaps. Simply we have to merge both binomial heap and in increasing order of their degree. So degree wise we will going to perform merging. So see here, I have merged 12 came, then 18 because both is having 0 0 degree. So first I have added 12, then I have added 18. So see, this is not mandatory. Do remember, don't confuse that. You can also add 18 first and then after 12 you can add it. It's not a problem. You can add it anything. Right, but we have to just remember that the order is in increasing order. First 0 degree binomial tree will come, then 1 degree binomial tree will come, then 2 degree binomial tree will come. If it is 3 degree binomial tree is there, then that will come, then 4, then 5, like that. We have to just maintain the increasing order degree. So we have just merged here. Simply we have merged here in increasing order degree. Now if we see that this binomial heap is not valid binomial heap. This is not valid binomial heap. Because this binomial heap is, suppose if I am say that this is the binomial heap after the merging. So you got that b0, b0, b1, b1 and b2 and b4. So here there is a two binomial tree is having same degree. This binomial tree is having same degree, and that's violating the property of the binomial heap. So we'll see that how we have to remove this duplicacy, so can we'll get the valid binomial heap. So this is after the merging we got this binomial heap. Now what we will going to do? The algorithm second step is saying that we have to merge same degree binomial tree. So this is the same degree binomial tree. This both tree. This is also one type of the binomial tree with degree 0. This is also one type of the binomial tree with degree 0. So the binomial heaps union operation second step is saying that we have to merge, we have to link this to the same degree binomial tree. We have to merge same degree binomial tree, and here I am working on the minimum binomial heap. Minimum binomial heap, it means that mean binomial heap, it means that it is going to follow the property of mean heap. It means that parents should be parents should be less than equal to children. So if we are going to merge this, because this two tree is having the same degree, if we merge this two tree, we will make the 12 as a root and 18 as a leftmost children of 12. Why so? Because we were performing the mean binomial heap. If it is we will perform the max binomial heap, then 18 become the parent. Right? So here I am working on the mean binomial heap. So 12 become the parent of the 18. So after the merging of this same degree binomial tree, we got the result this one. Now if you see that their degree is changed. Now this is now we have a 3 binomial tree with degree same. So now we have a 3 binomial tree with degree same. So for this case, what we will going to do? If it is 2, we can easily perform merging. But what if it is 3 is given or more than 2 is given? So for that situation, we will going to start merging from right to left. If it is, this situation will come more than 2 binomial tree with same degree is there, then we perform union from right to left. So if we perform right to left, we will going to merge this two. We will going to perform merging from this one, right? Then after we will perform, then after the merging, so here also we will going to, here there was a single node tree, so we were just checking that this value, but if it is this type of the tree will come, this is the b1 will come, this is the b1 will come, so then how will you perform union? So for that situation we'll see the root value, which one is having the minimum. So this is having 3, so 3 become the root and 7 become the left subtree of 3. So this is come like a 7 and 25, and this is going to delete it from here. So we'll see that after the result what will you get. So after the merging we got this tree. Now we can see that there is a two binomial tree is having same degree. Then again we will going to perform union here. So we'll get that the final tree, if we perform here, see suppose here there is a two binomial tree is having same degree. If it is 3 then we'll go from the right to left, but here it is 2 only, here only two binomial trees. So simply we will perform the merging. And how we perform merging? Because here working on the mean binomial heap, it means that 3 will be the root, and this complete binary tree is become the leftmost children of 3. So leftmost children is nothing but this is come 15, then this is 15 children, 28, and this is 33, and this is 41. Like that you will get it. So look at that, this is the final tree. After merging you got this is the final tree, right? Now I am going to explain that algorithm method. This is the general way I have explained that how you perform union. Now I am going to explain with the algorithm for the better understanding how I am saying that to perform the linking. I am going to explain that all this with the algorithm. So this I think you have already understood that, because this is the after the merging we got this binomial heap, two given two heap, and after the merging you got that. Now we'll see that each and every step. So first step we have already done, we have merged the two binomial heap in the increasing order of the degree. Second step is saying that link the root of a equal degree. Just now we have said that we have to perform linking of same degree binomial tree. And then he's saying that at most one root, where we have to stop when we got that a binomial heap with a binomial tree's degrees is unique. Then we have to stop, means at most one root remain of the each degree. Now we'll see that each and every step. They are saying that we have to take 3-pointer. So here is saying that you take P, and this is the Q, and this is R. Now what it is saying that degree of P, here they are following each and every step. So we'll see that steps. Degree of P is what right now? 0. Degree of Q is what? 0. And degree of R is what? 1. Now see that, look at that. Is this condition true? No, this is fail. Is this true? No, this is also fail. Is this true? Yes, this is true. This is true. So what we will do? They are saying that compare the value. This key of P is nothing but a value of P. Value of P is less than value of Q. 12 is less than 18. Yes, less than 18. Then what will you do now? Q become as a leftmost children of P. So Q is what? 18. So 18 become the leftmost children of P. So this is come here, right? And this is now deleted. Now what will you do? Now this order is changed. Now the PQ is also going to change now. So P is here, and this is become Q. So I am going to erase this, and I am going to also erase this for the better understanding. So this is P, and P value is now 1. P become now 1, and this Q is also become now 1, and R become what? R become 1. So now you have to see here, P is also degree same, Q degree also same, R degree also same. Then what will you going to do? So check that which condition is true. Which one is true? Is degree of P not equal to Q? No, condition failed. Degree of P and degree of Q and degree of R, all three are equal? Yes, all three are equal. Then what will we do? So they are saying that move ahead. Move ahead means that just right shift that all these value, all these P, Q, R and pointer. Means they are saying that just right shift that all these pointers. So I am going to removing that all these pointer from there, and I'm removing this all this pointer. So forget about this one, right? Because I have removed from here, it came here, right? So now this is become a this is now P, this is now P, sorry. So because we have to perform right shift now, we have to perform right shift. If it is all degrees same, then perform right shift. So now this is become P, this is become P, this is become Q, and this is become R. So P value is what? 1, and Q value is what? 1, R value is what? 2. Now check that which condition is true. Degree of P not equal to Q. No, condition fail. All 3 degree is same. No, all 3 degree is not same. Then P and Q degree same and R degree is not same, means this part is true. Then what will you do? Check that. Degree of, sorry, here key value P means see, suppose previously there was a tree with a single node. So we were just directly checking the value. If it is a tree with a multiple node, for that time we will just check the root value. We will just check the root value. So P's root value is 7 and Q root value is 3. So which one is become the leftmost? So here Q value is the lesser than. So we will going to make P as a leftmost children. We will make the P as a leftmost children. So this is going to cross from here. This is going to cross from here, and this will come here. This will come here. This 7 is become the leftmost children, and this is 25. Right? Same thing for this, same thing for now I will erase it for the better understanding. So now this value is also going to change. So this is going to change, and I will select the color. This was is crossed now. So now this is become the this is become P. So this is P and this is Q and this is R. Now check P value is what? This value is changed now, the updated one. The P is 2, Q value is also 2 and R value is 4. Now look at that algorithm. Which condition is true? Is degree of P not equal to degree of Q? No, condition fail. Is all degrees is equal? No, that's also not true. Is P and Q degree same and R degree different? Yes. This is different. Then what will you do? You perform. Then you have to check the root value. You have to check the root value. So P's root value is what? 3 and Q root value is 15. So P's root value is lesser than Q's root value. Then what will you do? Make that Q as a leftmost children of P. So Q complete Q tree is become the leftmost children. Here it will come. Here it will come, this complete the big subtree will come here, and afterward you will get that final subtree. If you merge this one, you will get that final binomial heap, and there all the binomial trees degree is always be unique. Right? Now I am going to explain the time complexity of the binomial heap, binomial heap union operation. So here I have given that two binomial heap H1 and H2, and after the performing binomial heap, what we were doing, we were adding all these tree. This is also one tree, 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 this is also. So in the after the union operation, in union we were adding all this binomial tree. So suppose this binomial heap is having n node. N1 node. For this binomial heap is having N2 node. So how many binomial tree is possible? Log base 2 N1, and for here log base 2 N2 binomial tree possible. That I have already explained in the previous video. So please watch that, so better for the understanding the time complexity. Okay. So if you are going to perform union means that we are going to add each and every tree in that new binomial tree. So how many times you are adding? How many times you are adding each and every? So you are adding, the time is order of log base 2 n1 plus log base 2 n2 time. So this many time you are taking to merging that. This many time you are taking to merging this two heap. And if you are writing in a single format, you will get that order of log base 2 n. And this n is nothing but a heap is having the maximum number of node. So there is a 2 heap. In that 2 heap, this H2 is having the more number of nodes. So this n is nothing but a n2. So the time complexity of union operation in the binomial heap is order of log base 2n, and n is nothing but a heap is having the maximum number of nodes. So that's all about the union operations in a binomial heap. In the next video, I am going to explain the remaining operation of the binomial heap. Thank you for watching my video.